Belly fat isn't just annoying, but it's also linked to high cholesterol, heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. A study suggests that people with extra weight around the belly are at risk of dying prematurely. Doing exercise to get rid of belly fat is great, but doesn't suit everyone, and let's be honest, we have no time for it. Luckily, just one drink can help you to shed those extra calories from your belly effectively and get your dream flat belly. In today's video, we will guide you on how to make this simple drink. You will get healthier and slimmer and full of energy. Even better, this drink is completely affordable for everybody. There are only two main ingredients of this recipe, and both of them are natural. Just 10 days of consuming this drink will give you outstanding results. If you wanna get there even faster, add a couple of belly exercises and stick to a healthier menu. Before starting to make this weight loss drink, please tell us your age and your current weight and the weight you want to lose in the comment sections of this video. With this information, we will give you some tips to help you lose belly fat and lose weight quicker. Then click the subscribe button and turn on the beside little notification bell to won't miss our next videos. The first ingredient of this weight loss drink is very common: ginger. Researchers have confirmed that eating and drinking ginger root can help keep weight under control. As ginger has thermogenic properties, it raises your body temperature, thus stimulating the fat-burning process. And according to a 2004 study conducted by Japanese scientists, ginger can significantly reduce cortisol levels. Cortisol is a hormone that makes your body store fat around your midsection, as well as throws your metabolism out of balance. Therefore, with cortisol levels under control by consuming ginger, it's so much easier to get rid of belly fat. Prepare one piece of fresh ginger, then use a grater to grate ginger into a bowl until obtaining 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Don't peel the ginger because its peel has great fat-burning properties. Place grated ginger into a saucepan. Then add 500 ml of water. To enhance the fat-burning properties of this drink, you will need to add the second ingredient is cumin seed. The combination of cumin seeds and ginger will help you increase your metabolism, a prerequisite if you wish to lose belly fat. Increasing your metabolism will help burn more calories as your activity during this day will be fueled properly. Other than this combination will also help reduce cravings and hence prevent you from unnecessary and unhealthy binging. You will need 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, either whole or powder. Add it into the saucepan. Bring this water to a boil and let it reduce to half its volume, approximately 250 ml, 1 cup, then turn off the heat. Strain the liquid into a cup and let it cool a bit or until it can be drunk without burns. Your drink is ready. If you wish to enhance the flavor of this drink, you can add cinnamon and cardamom with a dash of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. To quickly see the results, consume this drink in the morning for 10 days.